Hey guys, what's up? D1 here. So I had this issue with my MK3 where one of the knobs is really loose. So I decided to buy a compatible encoder. Actually, it's a potentiometer, and replace it myself. Not going to be showing that in this video. This is just going to be a teardown. But if the replacement proves to work after a few weeks, then I might do a video dedicated to just replacing the knob. I apologize in advance for the audio quality. I use the audio from the camera, and next time I'll use a lapel mic. Lesson learned. I also move around a lot, close and away from the mic. There's background noise and sometimes I'm mumbling, but if you're the curious guy, then watch this. If not, well, this is going to be boring as hell for you. Let's go. Got this McDonald's towel, a beach towel they gave me. I'm gonna use this for the so I don't mess up any of the buttons or anything. So yeah, as you can see, I already broken my warranty seal thing when I opened it up way back when. And yeah, as a start, we're just gonna remove all these screws. Pull this off. Okay, so there's a lot of dust in here. I smoke, so it's probably some ash and some cigarette shit over here. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this to the side. Just bumped the microphone there, sorry. There's a lot of different PCBs inside. I need to get to the PCBs for the knobs. So it's this one. So I'll just disconnect. Oh, I see. There's some, the ribbon cables have these tabs, locking mechanism. So you gotta pull these things up. Okay. Kind of hard to do this while holding the camera. So after you pull those things up, remove the ribbons. Pretty sure somebody's gonna make fun of my accent. That's okay. You just have to pull this thing up. You pull it up to remove the cable, and then when you put the cable back in, you press it down. Same thing here. Ribbon cable gone. Let me put this back here. How do I take this thing out? Probably need to remove all the caps. They're really hard to take off. Oh my God, why is it so tight? That's what he said. Okay, now I gotta remove these washers. I think they call washers, I'm not sure. The reason I'm using this plastic thing is mainly because I don't want to scratch the casing. I'm already feeling the PCB getting loose. Oh man, I might have to use a screwdriver. Oh shit, I'm already up the plastic. Oh shit. Best tool for this would be some pliers, but I don't think I have any pliers. Okay, I found these. Probably not the best tool either, but I guess it's better than nothing. Let's never go. Oh, okay. That was much easier. Okay, now if I turn it around, shake it off. Okay. There's one stuck in here. Okay, so there's this cable. It's probably ground. I don't know what it is. If someone knows, please let me know. Oh, there's a zip tie. Holy fuck, why did they use zip ties? Holy moly. Broski, can I remove this? It's freaking glued on with zip ties. Why? Why would they do that? I mean, what the hell? So this is a loose knob. Visually, I can't see anything wrong with it. I have to cut these zip ties off. Holy hell, this is like such a stupid way to hold the cable. Okay, so there's that. I want to clean the pads, so I'll take this ribbon cable off. Okay. Holy moly, there's a lot of screws. Okay, let's do this then. The ground thing here. Okay, I'll leave that cable there. Okay, so this should come off now, along with the screws. And the screw here. So will this come off now? Yeah. I need to get my eyes checked. Okay. So this is the pad PCB. Okay, so focus on that. Again, I have some high resolution pictures for download later. I'll put that in the camera's shaking, goddammit. I'll put that in the description. Okay, so let's have a look in our pad sheets if everything is clean. Well, there's some spots here, but it looks fairly, well, it's a little bit dirty. Not super dirty, but a little bit. Oh, the pads are like really yellow. There's a lot of dirt in between them. It's probably better if you check with my phone. So yeah, they're pretty yellow on the outside. I don't know how well that translates on camera. There's a lot of dirt over here. As you can see, I have this Mk3 since it was released. Yeah, there's a lot of dirt. I'll wash these off. And the pads are like, the pads are pretty thick, like, they're really, really thick. Here's a lighter for comparison. Yeah, they're really thick. Okay, so I'll leave the pads over here to the side and I'll wash them. The graphite sheet looks rather clean actually. Let's take a look at the button assembly. So the button assembly is kind of like, so it's let me put it this way. So it's a rubber thing with a plastic holding thingy, and these rubber things stay on top of the button, and when you press it, it clicks, and the plastic thing holds the rubber thing in place. It's kind of cool. Okay, so put this to the side. It's also dirty as fuck, so I'm gonna clean this up. Okay, this one is 2 segments. Oh, it's so dirty. Wow, you're such a dirty, dirty boy. Okay, let's put that to the side. Take a look over here. Oh, this whole unit comes off. Oh, they're little dot things. Okay, it's a transparent plastic, and it gets hit by the LEDs that, where are they? Okay, here they are. So the LEDs are over here. I don't know if you can see it. Those little dots. Can I lift this up? Oh yeah, okay. So these are the LEDs. They shine through this plastic thing. I believe it's a diffuser. I'll put that in the right place in a second. And then it illuminates the dots for the touch strip. So yeah, I'll put this right here. Put this to the side. Take out the. Oh, they're so yellow. Wash all this with water and soap. Okay, let's take a look at for the encoder. Are these the same size? Yeah, same size as the other ones. I mean the other screws. I forgot to take the button off. Let me just pull it off. The button right here. Oh, this is pretty interesting. Let's have a look. So the PCB itself has these holes, so this is sort of flexible. When you push it to a side or the other one. Pretty cool design. I'm no engineer, so I don't know nothing about this, but I've opened up most of my gear and I've never seen anything quite like this. It's pretty cool. LEDs over here, again, they're covered by a film. I don't know what's the purpose of this film. If anyone knows, let me know. I'm guessing it's maybe for diffusion, but it's so small that I don't think this would diffuse it. Maybe it's just to protect it. Anyway, pretty interesting. Pretty cool design. The 4 buttons over here, just normal tactile buttons. Yeah, a little chip over there. Cool. Let me put this on the pile. I don't think I need to take this off. What else can we look at? Oh, I want to look at the screens. How they're attached and whatnot. So let's see. It looks like yeah, I gotta remove this PCB. Same screws. In order to take the one that's in the bottom. Okay, so this seems to be the interface. I'm not sure what it is. How do I take this thing off? Oh, okay. I probably need to remove the little buttons. And I'm kind of scared to break this shit. Bro, if I break this shit, I'm gonna be so mad. Gotta flex this. What is it attached to? Oh, I think it's the power connector. Oh yeah. Okay. More plastic holding things. Okay. So this part, I'm just taking this apart to have a look at the screens. I don't have any other reason to do this. Just for curiosity. Oh, okay. Most of the screws are the same size, which is pretty nice. Otherwise, I would probably not put all the screws in. Pretty sure these, the ones, I would like to know if anybody knows, why do the screws have this copper thing around them? Is this for ground? I guess the symbol means ground right here. Yeah, is this the symbol for ground? What does this mean? You know, what? Some have these screw symbols. They all do, actually. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Just thought I'd point it out. Let's see, what chip is this? This is a micro semi whatever fusion, whatever. Yeah, that might be interesting to someone. Not really for me. Okay, so one more screw over here. Another one over here, hiding behind the ribbon cable. Oh, I heard a noise. I heard psst. Holy f***. Hey, we're back. So it's all good. Hopefully I didn't break anything. So, I think what I heard was this. These ground things that connect to each screen behind the plastic. See, the weird thing is, the screens aren't in the same place as the PCB. There's a layer of plastic, and then they're on the other side. They're connected by these ribbon cables. This ground little thing over here, but they are under the plastic. So, and this this thing over here pushes the ribbon cable closer to the PCB. There's like a little bit of like a foam under it. So yeah, I guess if you for some reason needed to replace the screens, you would have to you would have to remove this transparent plastic or acrylic or whatever it is. You'd have to remove this to expose the screen modules. That's pretty surprising. I wasn't expecting that. Okay. So there goes my curiosity for the screens. I'm not gonna remove the plastic or the acrylic or whatever. That would require a heat gun. I don't have a heat gun, and I would be scared to use it, to be honest. I would be thinking maybe it would warp the acrylic. Yeah. So I'm gonna just put this in its place like it was. Not gonna mess with it. Just make sure that the ground is touching. Everything is in the right place. Yeah, let's put the screws back in. Let's put this shit back in. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. This is gonna be annoying. Does this button come on? Nope. Oh, it was pretty easy. Okay, cool. I guess now I'm gonna wash everything up, all the pads and whatnot. So yeah, let's do that. Okay, so this is gonna be a really advanced tutorial on how to clean the rubber pads and buttons. So you turn on the water, and you throw the pads in there. You put some soap. You turn off the water. You grab like a brush thing. This is a sneaker cleaning thing. So yeah, there's soap and there's water, and you rub it around. You're getting the crack. You feel me? Don't do crack, kids. It's bad for you. And just wash the hell out of it. There's so much dirt in between the buttons. Yeah, just wash it, bro. Just a good scrub. Not worried about the yellowing. I don't really care, to be honest. Just wash it off. It doesn't really show on camera, but they're significantly yellow. Yeah, just rinse it off. Okay, now I'm gonna put these to dry somewhere. Yeah, I'm kind of tanned. Hey. Okay, so I'll take this opportunity to clean up the unit a little bit. It's a little bit dirty. If you notice, you know, in the holes for the buttons, it's pretty nasty, right? So I want to clean that up. I also want to clean the casing. It has a lot of, you know, spots. I can't really clean it with a cloth because the buttons get in the way. Without the buttons, it's probably going to be easy. It doesn't bother me much, but you know, you can see there's a bunch of like little stains and whatnot, and I can't get rid of these no matter what. So maybe without the buttons in the way, it works out better. So I'm gonna do that. So I got this old rag over here. It looks pretty horrible, but I use it for cleaning stuff. So I'm just gonna rub it. It has it's pretty wet, so I don't want to get it anywhere near the electronic crap. Just over here. Maybe I can get rid of these stains. I'm not sure if it's helping, to be honest. You know what? Microfiber cloth would be a better idea. Yeah, it's a much better idea. Oh, nice. So, hold up. Oh, I forgot to put this in. Oh boy. Damn it. The buttons are going inwards, but that's kind of a good thing because now I can clean in between the buttons, which is a pain in the butt. Yeah, it looks nice. A little damp Q-tip. Just clean this up a little bit. Pretty dirty. Yeah, I think that's fine. I'll put this thing later. Okay, time to put this thing back together. So this goes here, and this. So yeah, let's put this on. And now, if I remember, this thing probably goes in here, right? I have to check my own video. So actually, no, this doesn't go over here. It goes back here somewhere. Not gonna worry about it for now. So now I'm gonna put the knob PCB with the new knob in. It goes like this. And this little thing then attaches over here. So I'll have to put all the washers in and the nuts. Okay, it seems secure. So as you can see, The new knob is a lot shorter. Hopefully it works. Oh, okay. Let's put the rest of the stuff together. So let's get the pads. So orientation is like this. Oh, that's out of focus, I'm sorry. Just wiggle it in place. Okay, looks good. Now, this is the transport. Holy hell, this is kind of annoying. Okay, that's in. This is the duplicate, select, mute. This goes down here. Hopefully I remember everything correctly. So here. Okay, so this is the pitch thing, touch strip thing. This is the buttons above the pads. Okay, so just note repeat, velocity, locks. These rubber buttons are pretty smart because they feel like pads, but they're really just touching the tactile buttons. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And the group thing. Now this ring thing goes like this. Okay. And the encoder, for the encoder, does it go like this or like this or? Ooh, I don't remember. I have to check. Oh, so it's like this. Okay. All right. So I need these thingies. So the dotted part is up. Over here. These over here. Okay, so now I can put the encoder cap on. So the dotted thing is down. Just quick check. Okay, all good. I think I'm gonna put the PCB back in for the pads and whatnot. Interesting. So there's a, I don't know, this is for, there's a communication part here. Might be to program the chip. All these pins here. says CONE1. Oh no, these pins, okay, these pins connect to the Touchstip PCB. Okay, so these pins right here connect to the these holes right here that control the Touchstip. Oh no, I forgot the this. Okay, as for the sheet, the sensor sheet, it's a little bit dirty, but not too much. Where's my cloth? Might as well just clean it a little bit. So the shiny part of the sheet goes down, and the dull part, it's facing towards us. And there's a cutout here that goes in this corner. Clean it up a bit. Okay, now this goes in. Oop, the other way around. Oh, interesting. I hadn't noticed this. There's two LEDs in each pad, so I'm guessing one is yellow or white and the other one is RGB. Could it be? It's kind of weird. Never saw that before. Yeah, just thought I'd point that out. Okay, so just put this in place and align the pins for the Touchstip. Probably the hardest part. It's like, how do I know if it's in the right place? Oh, this is going to be annoying. Yo, that's kind of crazy. How the hell do I know if that's in the right place? Okay, when I'm pulling it, it's offering some resistance, so I'm guessing it connected. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna plug everything in and give it a go. So this one, the big one goes across here and attaches here. And the other one, oh boy. The other one goes here. Underneath this. It goes here, okay. Oh shit, I heard something snapping. That's never good. This one goes over here. This one is the fat screw. No, the fat screw goes here. My memory is so bad, bro. And these are just like regular screws, I guess. Okay. Now we attach the ribbon cables. Just pull them up, slide the ribbon inside, close it down. I don't think I need to show that on camera. It's pretty self-explanatory. If you can't do that, then please don't ever open your controller or anything else for that matter. Okay, how about this one? Where does this one go? Oh, this one goes on here. Okay. Just shove it in there until you see. Oh fuck, when did it stop recording? My camera is not cooperating and stopped recording. I have no idea where, but yeah, I plugged everything back together. Still missing some screws and all the screws over here and the plastic, but I just want to turn it on and check if it's working. Before I do anything else. Well, it's not turning on. That can't be good. Oh, let's try another cable. Sometimes it's a cable, but right now I'm praying that it's a cable. Yep. Okay. I want to test the touch strip specifically to see if I plug it correctly. Yeah, it's all good. Okay. Split the rest of it back together. So, there it is. How the, like this? Nope. Yeah, it's like this. Okay. This needs to be this side. I'm gonna need some zip ties for the ones that I cut. They hold the little cable here. Some nail clipper. Could probably use another solution that isn't so annoying to change. Yeah, this is okay. So yeah, I don't think what's the point of making this of zip tying this? I'm not gonna zip tie this. I'm just gonna leave it. Just gonna leave it like this. It's probably fine. Just sneak it in there. I mean, what's the point? Okay, so now I have to put in the Mariana. My dog is going crazy. Hey. Okay, so I corrected a few mistakes. The ribbon cable was under this black thing. I put it over. This cable was slightly not correctly connected, so I took it off and put it on again. And the test, the new knob. As you can see, hopefully, if it focuses, sorry for the camera reshaking, it works. Hey! Previously all the values were jumping up and down because the ribbon cable wasn't correctly connected. So yeah, so far changing the knob has been a success, I guess. Now the true test is going to be over time, if it also gets loose, if it stops working, and you know, all that jazz. I just need to put in the rest of the screws. And yeah, we're pretty much almost done. So, let's put my cover back on. Now I'm actually quite curious to take this acrylic thing off. It would probably be a pain in the ass. Yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Well, maybe another time. Well, my controller never looked so clean, I mean, except for the day I bought it, of course. Plug this bad boy in. Put a little cap on our new knob. Hey, it's working, motherfuckers. It's hard as hell compared to the old one. Where is it? Over here. It's like super loosey. And this one requires quite a strength. It's the strongest one of them all, but I'd rather it have extra resistance than be too loose. Everything seems to be working. All the buttons. Okay. So that's it. Peace. Woo! That was so stupid.